we're gonna bring the hands behind the head, interlaced fingers. And like we did when we were sitting, you're gonna exhale, soften your sternum and curl towards your belly button. Inhale and lower back down. If Pilates is in your regular practice or you'd like more challenge, you can bring your legs up to a tabletop, all the way up to the ceiling or all the way down low. But we're all gonna exhale, nod and curl up together at the belly button and back down. Again, exhale and nod and curl and back down. One more time. Exhale, feel the sternum soften and peek up to look at your belly button and back down. From here, we're gonna go into some rotation. Again, taking our seated to the floor. You're gonna exhale, curl up and rotate towards one hip bone and back down. You'll alternate though. Exhale, curling up to the other side and back down. And the reason you're cradling your head in your hands is because we don't need the neck to work here. We just want to work on that soft sternum so that we're finding mobility through the upper spine. Curling up to the other side and back down. One more set, please. Curling up and back down. Exhale and curl and back down.